Hello YouTube and welcome to the show. Today putting a taillight assembly in a 2018 GMC ACADIA. And right here on the steering wheel is the other years the ACADIA that this video is compatible with. Needs this puppy replaced. I'm going to show you how to do that quick and easy. So all some of the tools you'll need: body panel tools, screwdrivers. This would be helpful. We're going to remove these tabs right here. So T15 Torx in these holes. Okay, with these two removed, you have tabs usually in the back here, and then this has one slider under here. So this needs to come straight out, and that's why we use our body panel tools. These are made of nylon so they won't scratch the vehicle. And we're going to pry this puppy back. Just like that. And it pops right out. I'll put a link in the description below where you can buy these body panel tools, by the way. It helps the channel also if you want to do that. I'm an associate, Amazon associate. But yeah, it's quick and easy. They're cheap, these tools. They're great for all sorts of things, taking apart your door panels, especially stuff like this. Okay, here we go. This is, I can't do this with one hand apparently, so, but this is your pigtail. So yeah, you just use a screwdriver to pop this up, then this little tab at the bottom, and it should just slide right out. A little bit of prying right here if it's tight, but this should release it. And this comes out like that. Had a little tape from the old one, so I cleaned that up. A bit of a scuff there from whatever broke it, looks like, but it's all good. All right, so popping in that pigtail. And then you slide that red hammer down there once it's in place. Next thing we're gonna do. Okay, here's the tester. So you got the blinker, turn on the running lights or the headlights. There you go. All right, turn the blinker off. And now brakes. Nice. Looks good. Hey, this is that part where I ask you to like the video and subscribe because it helps other people see it. So if this was helpful in your life, do that. It helps others out there. Next thing we're gonna do is we line these pins up into that hole. And you also have to be mindful of that slot there. So you have this slot here, and the pins slide into there. So the way to do this, I found, is to line this guy up on the bottom first, and then slide. So you can see it right there, and then slide. You're ready to slide it, and then you line up your pins right in this area. Make sure your pins are lined up with the holes. And give it a nice push. Do this with one hand. See that? Sealed up all the way around. Looks good. Easy peasy. There it is. Like that. And see this top there. Bottom, like that. 5-star clients, really nice couple, and it's a pleasure to work for them. And it's funny how I'm the one mechanic who's like, let me make a video so you don't have to hire me again. He's like, oh, I want to see the video, you know? So if the other one goes out, I know how to do it. I'm like, yes. See that? I am... Repeat business is nice, but you know what? I like making the videos. I like showing people how to save money and do this stuff on their own. It's part of my passion for the YouTube automotive stuff. You know, life is difficult, and repair bills are just another brick in the wall as far as I'm concerned. So let's trying to get out there and be helpful with folks and help them work on their own cars. So a lot of us guys, Uncle Mark, he's another one of those, right? Let's a lot of us, we have this passion to help you fix your vehicle, and like and subscribe. It helps us out. Gotta watch where you park your bike on Capitol Hill. There's the 12th and Pine police station right here in the gritty city of Seattle. Got a little bit of time. Got about a half hour to kill in between tasks. And so what time is it? Time for me to hit up. See what kind of goodies they got for me today. And what did I find on clearance at the Daybreak Records? Glad you asked. Jimi Hendrix Volume 2 for $5. That's interesting. I've never seen that before. Rubber Soul. Is that a bootleg? I don't know. Jimi Hendrix. Anyway, Rubber Soul. I did not have that one. That's part of my Beatles stuff that I did not have. So good to find that used for less than 20 bucks, right? There's U2. Yep. The Unforgettable Fire. I like that one. And the last one I got, this was $5. Blue Oyster Cult Live. This is just a great set of live tunes right here. Godzilla, Extraterrestrial Intelligence. Just can't wait to give that a spin.